Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eva, this is my unboxing channel. Today I've got another box swap. I've done Germany and Finland so far this year. This one is a little bit closer to home. This is from Wales and it's a swap with a lady called Sinead. Big heavy box and everything is wrapped. There's lots of stuff in here. So we agreed on the budget of £50 and you can see all that, there's loads of stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to dig in because there is a lot of stuff to get on with. So I've got a little note from her. It just says thank you so much for agreeing to do this swap with me. It's her first swap. As you all know, I've done hundreds. So yeah, she's just basically telling me about the box there. Fun note, I'm not going to read it all. Okay, so I'm going to open the first item. We've got a soft one. Ooh. It says, I've got a hat from The Craft. The Craft is one of my favourite films, actually. That's pretty cool. Oh wow, I like that. I'm probably wearing that totally wrong, but wow, yeah. That's like a hat. And then this little bag that says Kitchen Witch. What have we got? Okay, so we've got some herbs. Witchy herbs, which we've got rue, eucalyptus leaf, crushed cassia, I do that one, and vervain, that's another one I've not heard of. So yep, they're pretty cool. Got some herbs in a little bag, and the hat is the first one. It's made my hair go all messy. Okay, there's loads in here, like wow. Which one shall we open? Go for the small one. It feels like a book, maybe. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's the eyeshadow palette. Oh no, it's not. It's a Bronze and Glow palette makeup. Let's have a look. Get the thing open. Oop. Wow, look at that. So that's like a contour palette with a dark, the medium and the kind of blush there. Lovely. Just put that back. I don't know which one to open. Okay. This one. We've got some biscuits to munch on. Savoury biscuits there. We've got this one. We'll open this one. This one feels quite heavy. That's why it feels heavy. Oh wow, they're lovely. So I've got Sunday Rain, relaxing bath crystals, watermelon and mint. And it comes with like a gorgeous little spoon too, which is just lovely. They sound amazing and look amazing. Purple one. There's also like stars and stuff all over here, like glittery bits. Ooh, what we got? Okay. Oh, we got some macaron, yeah. These are, I love these. I don't know if she knew that I like these, but I do. I really do like them. I can't wait to try them later. Get rid of the rubbish. Ooh, so we've got quite a few left. Go to the bottom. This one feels like a book. The other one did too, so I might be like totally wrong. Yeah, it's a book of some sort. Okay. Oh, that's rather pretty. So it's, oh yes, you've got my star sign right, Gemini notebook. And it's like all like velvety on the front. That's pretty cool. So got like a little image there. And yeah, I always need notebooks, so yeah, that's quite a nice one. There's that one. And that sounds so nice. Oh, a bath bomb? Yep, it says good day bad day bath bomb. It's like a cloud, kind of like a grey cloud. And let's put something else in here. Ah, it's an unusual one. Smells gorgeous though. And this one too. It's like kind of like cards. It's like a bit like tarot cards together. That's cool. Never seen one like that. And that's something. Yeah, that's just packaging. Okay. Still a few left. Which one shall we go for? This one in the bottom. There's also a book shapes. So okay. It says the sleeper and the spindle, which sounds very much like Sleeping Beauty. Ooh. Oh, this looks lovely. So I think it's like a Sleeping Beauty story, but maybe like more for adults. That is gorgeous. I really. The illustrations in it are like really, really cool. You just see. It's definitely more an adult read, I'd say. You may think you know this story. There's a young queen about to be married. There are some good, brave, hardy dwarfs, a castle shrouded in thorns, and a princess cursed by a witch. So rumour has it to sleep forever. But no one is waiting for a noble prince to appear on his trusty steed here. The fairy tale is spun with a thread of dark magic, which twists and turns and glints and shines. Our queen might just prove herself a hero if a princess needs rescuing. Ooh, okay, so it's like a modern take on it. That's lovely. Okay, four left. Okay. Which one? This one. That one. Something in the box. Creepy. Oh, wax melts. We've got black, amber and lavender. I'm going to have a smell of. Oh, yeah, lovely. There's sorrel, lemon and thyme. So obviously these are kind of like mixed varieties of melts. Smell amazing. Quite very lemony, that one, lovely. And then there's this one, orchard. So orange little box as well. It's there's one. And there's 2 more after this one, I think. What we've got here? Ooh! So it says Heidi bouquet, apple and cinnamon, like chocolate. I've never heard of these before. Is it chocolate? Yeah, looks like chocolate. They do look tasty. Yeah, it's chocolate. I like the whole like plant effect too. It's pretty cute. Okay, 2 more. Got this one, and we've got this one. Something similar to an item on your wish list. So I'll do this one first. It's a sweet basket. Exciting. An opulent glass bottle to hold your magical breeze potion and elixirs. Pentacle potion. Ooh, let's look. I've got cork. Oh wow, that's pretty. It's very pretty. It's like a spell bottle. I love the colour too. It's really nice. The little pentagram here. It's nice actually. I do like that. Last one. And this says something similar to an item on your wish list. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, they were on my wish list actually. Wow. It is Oracle of the Unicorn. Wow. Art cards. I'll show you a few. You've got, look at the detail on these, these are gorgeous. They are lovely and they will be used. Okay, just put them all away. So that is everything off my lovely swap partner, and very happy with this box. So I've got the Oracle cards, bath bombs, some bath salts, some macarons, chocolates, biscuits, a makeup palette, a notebook, the spell bottle, the lovely wax melts, the hat, the herbs, and the lovely kind of Sleeping Beauty story, which is lovely. So yeah, I'm very happy with this swap. I'm hoping she likes hers too. I don't know if she's on YouTube, I'll have to find out. But yeah, that is my £50 swap to Sinead in Wales. Thank you for watching and bye for now.